Good morning, guys! Today is the day. I finished packing kahapon, pero I'm gonna add more. Kasi last night, I ended up adding 10 more kilos sa luggage ko. Just to make sure na hindi ako mag-excess. Kasi hindi ko siya ma-lift. Ang bigat-bigat niya. Sabi ko, it definitely more than 20 kilos. So, nag-add ako ng 10. Anong gagawin ko? Oh yeah, I'm gonna clear my bed. Tatanggalin ko yung bedsheet ko, tapos papalitan ko yung mga pillowcases. Mamayang gabi pa yung flight ko, pero aalis kami ni Papa siguro mga early this afternoon kasi I need to go to the bank. Guys, I received a package from Elle Boutique dito sa Cebu. Sa Park Mall, nandun yung shop ni Sherlyn. So, if you're looking for Pretty Angel shop tapos taga Cebu ka and ayaw mong mag-order online, nandun sila sa Elle Boutique sa Park Mall. I know I said iBoutique, I think, before. Yeah, so it's Elle Boutique, you guys. And she sent me some clothes. Buti na lang nakaabot. I can't bring all of them though kasi you will see, I'm gonna do a haul right now. Kasi hindi ko siya ma-feature sa proper haul ko kasi nga hindi ko siya dadalhin. So, I'm gonna show you what I got right now. Okay, so the first thing she sent me is this bralette. This one looks really big, you guys. Like, look at that. It's way too big on me. I'm gonna give this to my mom kasi nga sobrang malaki siya sa akin. She sent me another bralette. This one, I like. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring this with me though. Siguro, yeah, kasi super light lang din naman na to, so I can shove it in my luggage. But yeah, it looks like that. Really cute. Meron siyang cage na ganap John. And yeah, so cute. Ito, I really like the color, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring this with me as well. But it looks like this. Ooh, super thin na material niya. You can see through it. But yeah, it looks like that. Tapos meron siyang ganap na stripes John. It's just a v-neck t-shirt. Like so. Here's another one. I tried it on. It's way too big on me. It looks really big. Tapos tinry ko pa rin siya kasi gusto ko makita how it looks on. And yeah, it's way too big. Super laki niya. Gustong-gusto ko pa naman siya. Gustong-gusto ko din yung color niya. Like, look at that. Sobrang laki. But it looks really cute. Tapos meron siyang mga lace detail. And super thick din ang material na to. So yeah. Bongga. I also really like the thin straps. Bongers. This I tried on and I'm so maliit, you guys. So, pasensya na kung halos lahat dito hindi talaga kasya ng maayos sa akin. But, what the heck? Ito, medyo malaki din siya sa akin. Yung straps, mahaba yung straps for me. I can fix it though. Like, I can just, no, I don't think so. Kasi it's crochet. Akala ko matatahi ko siya, pero crochet to eh. Pero, oh yeah, pwede. I-fold ko na lang tapos tahiin ko. But, yeah, oh, my nails looks really pretty. Ito yung My Posh Nail Polish Touch of Beige. O, diba ang ganda niya? I'm so happy I found it. But, yeah. Yeah, it looks like that. Unfortunately, I can't bring this as well. So, yeah, hindi ko kasi siya magagamit. But yeah, that's everything from Elle Boutique. I'm so glad umabot. Thank you so much, sis. I'm uploading a video right now, actually. Sana matapos tong upload na to. It's 137 minutes right now. Sana matapos tong upload na to before ako umalis. Kasi, in 2-3 hours darating na si Papa. Susunduin na niya ako. Yeah, and my luggage right there. It's ready. It's ready. Hi guys! I'm ready na. I finished up my face. So, on my brows, I have the Detail Make Brow. Itong lightest brown na ito. Yung brush din dito yung ginamit ko kasi yung eyebrow brush ko pinako na. So, wala akong choice kanina. Tapos, powder is the Intuit Oil Control Oil Free powder. Tapos, ito yung powder ko sa under my eyes. All over my face is the Nishadu Final Powder, which I already put in my luggage as well. And then on my lips, I have been loving this shade lately. I really like it. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. This is the cream or creme. This is in the shade Rose Velvet. It looks like that. I like this color. And then on my cheeks, of course, my favorite blush, the Avon Ideal Luminous Blush in Peach. And, oh, my mascara. I have on the Eye of Ours mascara. Tapos, that's it. That's all I have on my face. And then my outfit, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm wearing this top that I got from Cotton On. For my jewelries, I have this necklace, my favorite necklace from Kim's Collection 2015. I have this ring. This ring with blue stone is from my mom. And then the other ring is from the Love Shop 012. And then my favorite bracelet is from Radaf PH. Right there. So it's a rosary bracelet. Pinabless pa niya talaga to for me. So thank you so much, Erica. And then my bottoms, ito yung from Dresslink. Ito yung lagi kong sinusuot kapag biyahe ako. It's kind of like jeggings, and meron siyang mga ganyang ganap. Tapos I have my boots on. This one is from SoFab. Meron siyang mga studs na ganap dyan. And I will be wearing my flannel as well. So this one, hindi ko muna siya sinuot ngayon kasi sobrang init. But yeah, I have that. My video is still uploading. Sana matapos to before ako umalis. My gosh, it has 62 minutes left. Still over an hour. Pero okay lang yan. I'm still waiting for my puppy. Si Papa wala pa. Pero okay lang kasi meron pa siyang 1 hour and 10 minutes, I think. And finally, I will be using my purse, you guys. Ito yung sobrang tagal ko nang binili. Oh, tingnan nyo, may presyo pa. My gosh, tanggalin ko yan. Yeah, yan yung yan yung matagal ko nang binili. Hindi ko pa nagamit kasi I've been waiting for this day. Char, I've been waiting for this day. Oh, for my perfume pala, I will be using this Miss Dior. Yung mini Miss Dior ko. So, this one's so cute, right? Ang bango nito, guys. Grabe. And, oh, I have new contacts on. Ginamit ko na yung bagong contacts ko. Ito yung from Enhance. Ito yung, yeah, Flexwear Enhance. Ito yung nabili ko from EO. This is in the shade Toast Brown. So, it looks like that. Yep. Meron siyang super dark brown na border. Tapos yung center is parang light brown. Yeah, I like it. Hi guys! Nandito na ako sa, malapit sa gate ko. Yeah, matagal pa kasi boarding ko pa 7:50 and maaga ako. Nagpunta ako ng mall pero nagpunta ako sa bangko lang. Hindi na ako nakapag-exchange ng pera kasi natatakot ako na baka malate ako. Tapos concerned din ako sa luggage ko kasi ang bigat-bigat. Gamit ko na pala yung passport holder na bigay sa akin ng Brian_stuff on Instagram. O, diba? Perfect. First time ko ito gamitin eh. And, yeah. So, marami kang pwedeng dito. Diyan. So, perfect. Kanina, ang daming tao dito eh. Ngayon, wala na eh. Kasi ang dami ng flight na nag-board. So, ako na lang natira. No joke. Marami pa kami. Guys, delayed yung flight namin. My gosh. Tapos yung layover ko pa sa Manila, 2 hours lang. So, enough lang talaga siya. Like, I need to go through immigration pa and all that. Pero delayed. Sobrang pagod na ako. Tinanggal ko na yung contacts ko. Tapos nag-eyeglass na lang ako. This bracelet pala is from Radaf PH. Sobrang ganderns. Ay, nasabi ko na yun kanina. But yeah, sobrang pagod na ako. Wala nang tao. Feeling ko yung mga tao dito, ito na lang yung sa flight namin talaga. Kasi wala na eh. Ang dami na kayang nakaalis na pang Manila sa lahat ba naman ng planes. Yung amin pa yung hindi dumating. Delayed tuloy. Ay, Carms. Gusto ko na humiga. Kailangan ko lang mag-isa. Baka maiwan pa ako. Guys, you will not believe I'm in a freaking hotel room. Oh my goodness. I missed my flight. Alam niyo ba ano nangyari? Na-delay yung flight. Yung original flight ko from Cebu to Manila na-delay. So, yung Cebu Pacific staff, they told me na I'm gonna transfer you to an earlier flight so you could make it to your connecting flight, yung papuntang Sydney. So I was like, sure. And then that one left Cebu, I think, 9:40. And supposedly, yung original flight ko leaves at 8:20 ata. That one is delayed, as in sobrang delayed niya. And so, she transferred us to a different flight. Tapos, that one is not delayed. Tama yung time niya, 9:40. Pero pagdating namin sa Manila, sobrang traffic. So, hindi nakaland agad yung aeroplano. And it was supposed to land around 11:20 ata yung sabi niya. Tapos, yung boarding ng Manila to Sydney flight is 11:40. So, meron sana akong 20 minutes na allowance. Kaya lang, you guys, nagland yung aeroplano ng 11:50. So, I was like, wala na talaga. Pero, I was still hoping na sana delayed yung ibang flights. Kasi ang daming delayed sa Cebu eh. As in, halos lahat, hindi naman halos lahat, pero ang daming delayed na flight sa Cebu. So I was thinking, siguro meron talagang problema sa Manila kasi na-delay kami sa Cebu because merong problema sa Manila. Kaya hindi nakapunta ng Cebu agad yung mga eroplano from Manila. So yun yung problema. So I was thinking, na siguro may problema sa Manila, siguro na-delay din yung Sydney flight namin. But when we got there, kasi kasama ko tong isang lalaki na kami lang dalawa yung from Cebu na may connecting flight to Sydney. So magkasama kami dalawa kasi nga kami lang dalawa yung may connecting flight. Nagpunta ako doon and close na lahat ng counters, as in close na talaga sila lahat. And yeah, namiss ko yung flight ko, but I met a subscriber. I was so chaka when she met me. I was so chaka. I was sobrang ngarag na ako. Ikaw ba naman mamiss mo yung flight mo? And I literally do not know what to do kasi lahat ng counters closed na. I just did not know what to do. So I asked this girl and I was like, excuse me, and she was like, hi, Reese. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so chaka. She took a picture and yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for helping out, as in sobra. Maridel ata yung pangalan. Maridel, yes, Maridel, thank you. Or Maribel, Maridel, thank you so much for helping me out. She works sa Cebu Pacific and siya talaga yung nagtawag ng international na staff para tulungan ako. And now I'm in the hotel and my flight is rebooked to tomorrow. So yeah, that's the earliest flight I can get. Sobrang disappointed na Mr. Bear kasi marami daw siyang plano. Pero yeah, wala yung mga plano mo kasi yeah, delayed yung flight ko. But I'm still thankful. Cebu Pacific is so nice though. This is not the best hotel, but for them to provide us with a hotel and free na yung breakfast, lunch, at saka dinner ko, which I'm really freaking excited about. I'm starving, Marvin. Yeah, kudos to them. Well, it's their fault din naman kasi delayed yung flights nila. Pero, like, you know, hindi nila kami iniwan. Though, sobrang tagal kami naghintay doon. Pero, you know, they make sure na we're taken care of and someone dropped us off here. Tapos, someone will take us here to the airport as well tomorrow night.